Trisa M. Bernal. Grade 6 with high honor.
Tuwa ako na ulit. Bawal sa picture lumabas.
Bawal si? Bakit?
Sabi mo naman.
Mamaya antayin niyo magsasalita sa atin. Mamaya.
Good day to our respected teachers, proud parents, honored guests, and my fellow graduates of Village School of Parkwoods, Batch 2026. Today is not just a special day. It is a moment we have all dreamed of, prayed for, and worked so hard to reach. Today, we stand at the end of one chapter and at the beginning of another. This achievement is not ours alone. It belongs to every person who believed in us when we doubted ourselves, who supported us when things were hard, and who never gave up on us. To our dear teachers, words will never be enough to express how grateful we are. From our first lessons to the knowledge we carry today, you have shaped not only our minds, but also our hearts. Your patience, sacrifices, and dedication became the light that guided us through every challenge. Because of you, we learned not just how to succeed, but to stand up every time we fall. A very special thank you to Teacher Miriam. Your belief in us gave us the courage to believe in ourselves. You saw our potential even when we could not see it, and you never stopped reminding us that we are capable of becoming more. Your encouragement will forever echo in our hearts. To our parents and guardians, this day is just as much yours as it is ours. Behind every success we celebrate today are your silent sacrifices. The early mornings, the long days, the endless support, and the unconditional love. Sa aking mga magulang, mama at papa, maraming salamat po sa bawat sakripisyo, sa bawat pag-aalaga, at sa walang sawang pagsuporta sa akin. Akin lang po ba ang tagumpay na ito sa inyo. Kayo po ang naging lakas ko sa bawat pagsubok at ang inspirasyon ko para hindi sumuko. Mahal na mahal ko kayo. To my grandparents, Lolo and Lola, thank you for being my first teachers. You taught me lessons that no book could ever prove. Discipline, perseverance, and love. Lola, salamat po sa matiyagang pagtuturo sa akin magsulat nung ako'y bata at matigas ang daliri. Naalala ko pa yung ruler na ginagamit mo pamalo sa aking mga kamay sa tuwing nagsusulat ako ng hindi pantay at hindi intindihan. Ang inyong pagtsatsaga at paggabay ang naging pundasyon sa aking pagkatuto. At ako po ay lubos na nagpapasalamat sa inyo. To my fellow graduates, we made it. We faced challenges that tested our strength, moments that made us want to give up, and days that felt too heavy to carry. But we are still here, stronger, braver, and ready. We laughed together, struggled together, and grew together. And because of this journey will always be unforgettable. To grade 6 Serenity, gusto ko lang sabihin, thank you sa pagiging comfort ko araw-araw. Hindi niyo siguro napapansin, pero sa simpleng tawanan, kwentuhan at kakulitan natin, gumagaan na lahat ng nararamdaman ko. Kayo yung naging takbuhan ko kapag pagod na ako. At yung dahilan kung bakit lagi akong may inaabangan pumasok. Kahit ang gulo natin minsan, doon naman nabubuo yung saya na hindi ko mapapalitan. Hindi ko alam kung paano masasanay na wala kayo araw-araw. Mamimiss ko yung ingay natin, yung harutan, at kahit yung mga simpleng moments na tayo-tayo lang nakakaintindi. Life was not always easy. There were times we felt tired, lost, and unsure of ourselves. going, to rise even when it's hard, to believe even when it feels impossible. As we move forward, let us carry with us just not the lessons we learned in the classroom, but the values, memories, and people who shaped us. We may leave this school, but it will never leave us. Let us continue to dream. Dreams that scare us, dreams that challenge us, dreams that push us to become better. Let us work hard, stay kind, and never forget where we came from. Because the future does not belong to the smartest or the strongest. It belongs to those who have the courage to keep trying. Today, we graduate as students, but tomorrow, we rise as dreamers, leaders, and future builders of our community. Malayo pa pero malayo na. Once again, congratulations to all of us. Thank you very much and congratulations Grade 6 Batch 2026.
May we request the proud parents of Ferry to accompany her on stage for the awarding of medal and certificates.
I am proud to say that indeed our valedictorian for elementary has also done well. She, together with Michelle, passed the Quezon City Science High School. Qualified. Although I do believe that my heart is likewise saddened by the fact that they may leave us and go to Quezon City Science High School.